A very good morning and Jai Hind to all my dear students. Children, in this module, we are going to discuss how we can solve the problem solving questions related to division, and basically we are going to understand the remainder. Right. So before starting, let me tell you one thing, that when you divide, you sometimes have a remainder left. Right. So there are three things you can do with the remainder depending upon the question which is asked to you. So let us see which kind of questions are there and how we can solve these questions. So let's move further. Children, here I have taken first question, which is from your one and only book, which is New Enjoying Mathematics class 4. The question here is that there is a sports teacher and the teacher is cutting ribbons for the sports medals. This much is clear. Then how many ribbons of 30 centimeter length can the teacher get from a roll of ribbon that is 500 centimeter long? Right. So first we need to check that what all information do we have. We already know that there is a sports teacher, okay, and he is trying to cut ribbon for sports medal. Okay, whenever we get medals in the competition, it always comes with the ribbon. Okay, so we have to find out that how many ribbons of 30 centimeter length each. Okay, that means if there will be few ribbons, so the length of each ribbon should be 30 centimeter, and then we have to find out that how many ribbons are required, each with the length of 30 centimeter, with the roll of a ribbon that is already 500 centimeter long. So the total length of the roll of the ribbon is 500 centimeter. So for finding out the length of one ribbon, it is already given there, which is 30 centimeter. We have to find out how many ribbons do we need. Okay, so here we can see that we already have the total length of the ribbon and we already have the length of one ribbon. When we will divide this 500 centimeter by 30 centimeter, we will get the total number of or total pieces of ribbons which are required for the medals. So let's see how we can divide this 500 centimeter by 30 centimeter. So here now we need to divide 500 centimeter by 30 centimeter. Okay, I have already told you that there can be two methods for division. First is that either you can round off the divisor or dividend and then guess the quotient, and second is you can hide the zeros present over here and then you can guess. So it would be better if we are hiding the zeros. Let us just assume that there is no two zeros and there is no this 0. So if I ask you that if you have to divide 5 by 3, in how many times you will be able to divide? You will be able to divide in one time. Okay, so let us also assume that 30 multiplied by 1 will be 30 and 30 multiplied by 2 will be 60. Do we need 60 for the number 5050? No, we don't need that. Here we cannot take 5 all alone, we need one more digit, so I have taken 0 also. So 30 ones are 30, 30 twos are 60. So we will go with 30 ones are 30. Okay, I have written 30 ones are 30 and we are left with 20. Again, if we compare this 20 by 30 and let us assume there is no 0. Okay, can we divide? No, we cannot divide. Now can we divide 20 by 30? No, we cannot do that. So that means we need to bring down another digit. So I have already brought it down over here, which is 200. Now if I ask you that in how many times you will be able to divide 200 by 30, so let us assume that there is no 0, 1 0 is not there and there is also not 1 0. And if I ask you that in how many times you will be able to divide 20 by 3, so the answer is 6. 6 multiplied by 3 will be 18, and in the same way 30 multiplied by 6 will be 180. Okay, and if we will multiply 30 by 7, it would be 220. So better we go with the smaller number. So 30 multiplied by 6, here we have got 180, and when we will subtract we are left with 20. So 16, which is the quotient which we have got, this is the pieces of ribbon which are required for making the medal, right? But the remainder which is left over here is the length of the ribbon which is left out of this 500 centimeter roll of ribbon. Okay, so this will not be your answer. This 20, we don't have to do anything with this. Your answer would be this 16. Okay, so that means the pieces of ribbon which are required for making the medal out of this 500 centimeter long roll of ribbon will be 16. Okay, so this will be your main answer. Let us move further to question. Children, the next question which I have taken for you is that some city schools have got together to donate books to village schools. Okay, that means there are some schools in the city, they have come together, they have got together to donate books. Okay, they have collected few books and they wanted to donate them to the village schools, right? Now they have collected, how many books they have collected, let us see, 524. This is also clear. Now it is written that how many village schools can get these books. Okay, we have to find out that how many, like number of village schools we have to find out can get these books. If each is given 50 books, that means if one school present in the village gets 50 books, so we need to find out that how many villages, how many schools present in the village will get the books. Okay, if one is getting 50. And if they decide to give the remaining books to the last school, one more condition is there, that if some books are left, that would be given to the last school. So how many extra book will be given to the last school? So the question is quite long, but we just have to understand that what we are going to do. So this is already clear that schools, some city schools have decided, right, to donate some books to the village schools. Okay, they have collected also 524 books, so the total number of books which will be our dividend will be 524. And we also know that one school present in the village get 50 books. ठीक है, एक स्कूल को कितनी बुक्स मिल रही है? 50 मिल रही हैं. And we need to find out that how many schools are present there in the village. So what we will do? We will divide 524 by 50 to find out that first how many schools are there in the village. So let us see. Here for dividing 524, okay, by 50, let us just assume that there is no 4. Okay, and if I ask you that if you have to divide this 52 by 50 in one time, so we will get 50 only, because 52s are would be 100. That is not required here, so we have simply done 51s are 50, and now we are left with 2. After that, can we divide 2 by this 50? Not possible. We will bring down another digit, which is 24. I have already brought down 24 over here. Now as we know that there is no other digit left, okay, in the right side of the number, no digits are left. So what we will do, we have already brought down this 4, okay, and 50, okay, cannot divide this 24 because this is a smaller number. So we will just multiply 50 by 0. In 0 times we will get 0, and this 24 will come down. So like this, children, the answer which we have got, that how many number of schools are there present in the village, would be 10. Okay, but the books left over for the last school will be 24. Okay, so here in this question there is importance of both the things. Okay, we need to take this quotient also, because this quotient tells us that how many number of village schools are there present in the village, and this remainder is also very important, because to find out the answer that how many extra books will be will the last school get, this we will find out from this 24. So this is how we are supposed to solve the problem solving question. And children, one thing is very clear, that we need to read the information very precisely, that what is being told and what we have to find out, and whether you are finding out the question and if some remainder is also left, then you need to have a check on the information that okay, is the remainder or quotient important for me to find out any answer given in the question. So this is all for this module. We will be meeting in our next module with other questions related to the problem solving. Thank you and Jai Hind.